chapter 1 ini zawa, chapter 2 poem lavui ni na dingina i topic a hile 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Kum thum sung nisan waile vuan waya khang lian hi gen dan danga kum thum sung ama ka kem o hi china leng ahia William Wordsworth lavui gel tu pa mi bang che bang hiam ichi le the pioneer of romantic movement in English poetry, lover of the natures, William Wordsworth ahile English lavui gel siam te laka nature to kingai ma aniulaya Lake District lui kyang ai kele nga kul kyang chiri ya lui to kinai ma kyanga khanglia na hi jakina ama I nature to anakinai ma nature anangai ma anain ma romantic poet telaka minthang ma le vo ma khat leng ahi hiai lavui avekina dong sagi seven stanza in English aya dong sagi apa athupi athulu khatve gen thak lai leng 3 years she grew in sun and shower here she china nume min khat avwa third person feminine gender akigin tak dan ina William Wordsworth in tanu khat ananeya Catherine why Catherine pen polio natna avesia kina ama utua tang theilowina anulia pan theiteng tengwa akepu adonu akhoyu why ha kumthum tan khoyun chin si why asi hit nunga why atanu Catherine kumthum adampi polio natna pianga kipana nei pen it luat zia kena angai not luat zia kena alung simit kha angai to na sithei lo wai chianga aman hiai thuon gela hiai lavui nature ei pawina gelle tu nu ahia nature pen mihing danina honom saka alavui sunga hoi jakin hiai nature pen nu hi na atang saka ahon gel suk ahi avekina yen sama vagina dong sagi ichia hia dong khanna chin kon sim so bian ngayon lan 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Then nature said, a lovelier flower on earth was never sown. This child I to myself will take. She shall be mine, and I will make a lady of my own. Kum thum sung anu le apan akem tu te nature in ahi theiza zauna asiam theiza zauna adwat theiza zauna avak theiza zauna vakin kemin hoin a enkaya huchia pa kilom tak pa khoi tak hong hiding chikom komina huchibanga ahoina ama bang leitung amidang omlo ding chi ina lamen takina atunu nature in anahoi achi ahi hiai she grew in sun and shower hiai flower pak ai kile hiai katanu ahoi dan bel pak pang bang ahi a ama bang bang a pa khoi dang om ngei nai lo leng hong om lo ding hi achi ahi dong khat na in dong ni na myself will to my darling be both law and impulse, and with me the girl and in rock and plain. Ahong khang to di nga ama mo ka ngai mama kai mama ka duat mama ahi wise yakin kalung sim teng teng kahi theina za in ama ka kem un ka ching ton tung di wa ahong khang lian nge di nga pak dang teng teng sanga hoi za ding a quality a amela asiam na a achidam na a hoi taka hong khang ding a hi chi in William Wordsworth in again a hi in art and heaven in glade and bower shall feel on overseeing power to kindle or restrain. Ama kain mama ka ngai mama ka theina ka siam na ting to ka kep ka dono chi na adwat dan thupi dan ai thoi dan ahon gen su ka hi dong thum na she shall be supportive as a fawn shall while with glee across the lawn or up the mountain springs in hers shall be the breathing balm in hers the silence and the calm of mute incense things ama mo hong khang to di nga sakhino thahat ma thajang ma diang lek lek tai vial kin tak taka da gamla pi mu ki tha zo taka diang banga hong khang to di nga hi chi in lamet na tampi tak to a hong khang di nga a hong lian di nga mun ong na a tuala leizanga gam ong na te sakhino diang thazo taka diang in ki hein taya cha vyalom bangena hiai Catherine katanu hi hong khang to di nga hi tha di nga hi taksalama achidam di nga ahat di nga azwana gang di nga amela hoi di nga ai thwai ding china dong thum na agena dong li na a the floating clouds their state shall lend to her for her the willow bend nor shall she fail to see even in the motion of storm grace that shall mold the maiden's form by silent sympathy. The floating clouds in the sky, the floating clouds which are above are full of rains and winds, and they used to supply dewdrops and rains to everywhere they feel necessary. May ten ama adingina tui dai tui apoi mo za hui vot hitale apegi ge dinga ama mo willow bend lui kyang a sing mam zin zen po gen siat be hinki ke mitla kala banga hong khang to ding a hi achinai donga na a the source of midnight shall be dear to her and she shall lean her ear in many sacred place where rivulets dance their wayward round, and beauty born of murmuring sound shall pass into her face. zan kim a ak si wak te atang phama ma bangina hiai Catherine hiai katanu tang phama main et lom ma ma hong khang to ding la hingala. In many sacred places where rivulets dance their wayward, zana luita luanging bia bia te I mutkala tol ngalawa pai paya movement ane ima bangun hiai katanu hi tol ngalawin ahoy na chitna ama tunga pihakina omdinga beauty born of murmuring sound shall pass into her face. Amel apuam mama leng amel apuam mama zong naturein hoitakin zunin vakin ha siangin kilom tak le elom tak dengin kem to a hi top na pen ma and vital feelings of delight shall reel her from the stately height. Her virgin bosom swell. Such thoughts of Lucy I will give, while she and I together live here in the happy dale. Ama kakipa na ma kalungkim na ma ahiya her virgin bosom well ama hong nungak tai voi hong khanglian ta hong pi ching ta ahi hiai katanu she achi Catherine pen hong khanglian ta ahi mi pi ching hong suak ta ahi mi ta te bangena hong nungak ta a ama mo amin Lucy ahia I will give while she and I together live here in the happy dale ko aden den ateng khom ta ka hiu kalung sima mo si thei lo hi ba si china on gen sakyun ke lung sima si thei lo hi kum thum ke adam 3 years himale ke lung sima si thei lo hi hoijakin atunu nature in hichin again hi the work was done. How soon my Lucy race was run? Oh, atunu in nature in ngei na in ken kahi ding tiang hi kahi ken mo dai tu te pe inga hui te pe inga mi salum te pe inga an te pe inga chidam dam dang kahi thei teng hi nga ama hong khang lia na hi. Oh, how soon Lucy's race was run. Abang chidana tom chik sung kya Lucy honun tak pi hiam. She died and left to me this heat, this calm and quiet scene, the memory of what has been and nevermore will be. Yai Lucy ka it ma ka duat ka ilwat ka kipu ka hi thei za zawa ka donu. Nature in hoi taka siam thei to pa don atun nui na don ama mo kum thum chau damina ahonum lo sana om lo hi lo hi ama nature kyanga pai hi zo hi ama nature hong suakta a hi ama mo suakta in chin nungak pi ching ta khita in chin mel hoi a hi china William Shakespeare in ada na thu anagena hiai 3 years she grew in sun and shower lovely poem kha tragedy poem hi tragedy poem chi da na lung kham na poem hi atanu Lucy hiai nu mei Lucy anne wa pan akep kum thum tan ama dampi bangjakin polio na vejakin anu lepan akep thei tenga kepu asyam thei top so kepu himalaya kum thumadam pia huai nui na om non ke male William Shakespeare lungsima hiai katanu asi na chiu si hilowa hi ke lungsima hingi ye hi ama mo to nungak ta pi chingta in chin ram sakka sa hi nature in la hi atu nu in la hi si hi mok lo hi chin ama le ama aki he ne ai akipa na ma ahon ge na ada na ma ahon ge no na ada na akipani na vual zo hi ke hu cha da cha Lucy si so cha mi sim mo le มีเองเขาดีฮิโลกะฮีกะตนูโมอาศีฮิโลฮีเนเชอร์ไงนาดานาไปหินดำนายฮีเมลหอยมาไงหอยมาฮีจีน่าอามาเลมาอากิเฮเนปนาวิลเลียมวอตสวอติน 3 years he grew in sun and sour จีอันนั้นก็ละเฮ้ยเต็งของอีกเย็นดีงะเฮ้ยเต็งกับบางอย่างไงดันนั่นเที่ยวกะละเมนอีกเย็นที่สุดไงเต็งไงกี่ปากแก